It's been a minute for several reasons, but I'm officially back. Here are 50 cool facts to make you sound smart. Adult tigers only have 30 teeth, 16 teeth in the upper jaw, and only 14 in the lower jaw. Some dinosaurs could get gout, and that Sue the famous T-Rex likely had it. Bench watchers are 98% more likely to suffer from poor sleep quality compared to those who did not identify as a binge watcher. Lady Jane Dudley, known as the 9 Days Queen, briefly held the throne of England and Ireland from July 10th to the 19th of 1553 before being executed. Peter the Great instituted a beard tax and forced people to shave who hadn't paid. E.T. was played by a 12-year-old disabled boy in a suit. The Bulgarian flag has never been captured in battle. Cane toads can survive in high salinity water. Plants receive more energy on a cloudy day in the summer than on a sunny day in the winter. There hasn't been an EF5 tornado since 2013 in the US. Edamame beans are just unmatured soybeans. Babyface Nelson killed more FBI agents than any other criminal in history. The Japanese attacked California in World War II and the bombardment of Elwood. The alligator from Happy Gilmore is alive and thriving in Colorado. In 1861, the first Kansas state legislature gave women the right to vote in all in-school elections. Mobile phone throwing is an official sport that originated in Finland. Autobrewery syndrome is a condition in which your body turns some food into alcohol. There are 20 plus kinds of ice. Barry Nelson was the first actor to portray James Bond on screen. The first American government-issued quarter was released in 1796. In Iceland, you are able to revoke your ex's right to your surname. King Tut's knife was made from meteorite iron. In Colorado, you need a permit to modify the weather. Angelina Jolie is a descendant of King Philip II of France. There are more than 10 states of matter, including time crystals. 95% of Londoners live within 400 meters of a bus stop. The Denver International Airport is larger than Manhattan, operating on 53 square miles of land. Bottlenose dolphins call out their loved ones by specific names when they become separated. They are the only species apart from humans that are known to do this. Scholars in southwest India discovered one of the founding principles of modern mathematics hundreds of years before Isaac Newton. Tarantulas can swim, and some can even dive in order to catch fish. 4% of people have never had a headache. In 1831, 4 countries claimed a new island in the Mediterranean that disappeared again only 6 months later. In the 1870s, the city of Liege, Belgium, tried to train 37 cats to deliver the mail. It was unsuccessful. The M on M&M's is made of edible paper. A single ostrich egg has around 2,000 calories and over 200 grams of protein. There is a roadside attraction called the Uranus Fudge Factory. Crows can remember a dangerous human and share the information with other crows. Neapolitan ice cream was invented in Prussia, not Italy. Hot water will freeze faster than cold water. A dentist invented the electric chair. The first oranges weren't orange, they were green. Bus seats are designed so you cannot tell how dirty they are. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. Humans are the only animals that blush. The only land mammal native to New Zealand is a bat. Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. The majority of your brain is fat. Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. The inventor of the pop-up ad later apologized for creating it. And finally, a group of pandas is called an embarrassment. So there you go, 50 cool facts to make you sound smart. Which one interested you the most? Let me know. Subscribe.